Boys and girls, this is a very serious and very important video because I get text messages from young boys and young girls every day in my Instagram DMs, and they are just tired. They're tired of being unproductive, they're tired of being lazy, they're tired of procrastinating, they're tired of not living up to their fullest potential. They know that they want to do something of significance, but they just feel stuck. And this video particularly is very close to my heart because I used to feel the exact same way my entire life. You know, when I was in college, when I was in school, and even when I graduated out of the college. And it is only in the last 8 months or so that I have gotten some sort of clarity. And I am still nowhere near from being 100% clear. And I personally believe that if you are living in this capitalistic society, it is almost impossible to get 100% clear. Obviously, unless you are a monk, right? Because as we grow, as we experience life in its entirety, our expectations changes, our goals changes, our dreams changes, and everything is moving so fast that clarity is a constant pursuit, right? You cannot ever sit down and be like, okay, this is exactly what I want out of my life, because you don't know exactly what's going to happen in the next 5-10 years to come, right? So absolute clarity is a myth. I personally do not believe in this. But anyways, if you're feeling stuck, if you think that you're unclear, keep watching, because this video is my genuine attempt of solving this problem. Everything that I'm going to tell you comes from my personal experiences, my journey of failing and growing a business, and me listening to some of the greats of our time. So without wasting any time, let's dive deep. यार देखो, अगर तुम्हें ऐसा फील होता है ना कि यार मैं थक चुका हूँ, थक चुकी हूँ, enough is enough, I just want some change in my life, I want to change my life for better, then there is only one thing that you need to start with. It is not discipline, it is not hard work, it is not consistency, it is clarity. You need to chase clarity. As Epictetus said, evaluate what you're doing, why you're doing it, and where accomplishing it will take you. If you don't have a clear answer, stop it. And chances are, if you're watching this video, तुम्हें नहीं पता तुम क्या कर रहे हो, ठीक है? तुम हो सकता है कोई चीज कर रहे हो बिकॉज तुम्हारे पेरेंट्स ने तुम्हें बोला है, या फिर तुम्हारे रिलेटिव्स ने तुम्हें बोला है, या फिर तुम अपने एनवायरनमेंट से कन्विंस हो गए, या फिर तुमने किसी चीज को किसी और को करते हुए देखा और तुम्हें लगा कि यार शायद मुझे भी ये कर लेना चाहिए, राइट? दैट्स द रियलिटी ऑफ 90% of the people who kind of, do things for the sake of it, who take jobs, who do MBA, who get married and every sort of thing. And you will see people like this in every stage of life. Now, before we talk about how to get some sort of clarity in your life, we need to understand why being unclear is absolutely ruining your life. अब देखो यार, बात ऐसी कि फर्क नहीं पड़ता तुम कितनी मेहनत कर रहे हो, तुम कितना हार्डवर्क कर रहे हो, तुम कितने घंटे काम कर रहे हो, तुम कितनी बजे उठ रहे हो, अगर तुम अनक्लियर हो देन यू विल एंड इन नोवेयर. अब इसको समझते हैं हम एक बहुत ही बढ़िया रियल लाइफ एग्जांपल से. इमेजिन करो कि तुम्हें कार ड्राइव करनी है, तुम्हारा विजन 6x6 नहीं है, मतलब तुम्हारी आंखों में नंबर है, तुम्हारे पास पावर्ड स्पेक्टिकल्स है जो तुम्हें पहनने पड़ते हैं, तुम कार में बैठ गए हो, तुम अपने पावर्ड स्पेक्टिकल्स अपने घर पे भूल गए और तुम्हें ये भी नहीं पता कि तुम्हें कहाँ पे जाना है, ठीक है? इमेजिन दिस सिनेरियो, एंड फ्रॉम any angle, this scenario doesn't feel like it's comfortable, okay? While from the point you sit in the car, you will be uncomfortable. You will be anxious because you don't know where you want to go and you can't see the world clearly. So you're relying on the colors, lights, your surroundings, and sounds around you to actually figure out, okay, which direction you want to go in, right? And it's not pretty. It's all chaotic. And the worst part is the people, your friends or your relatives or your family who are sitting with you, they don't support you, they don't trust you, because उन्हें लग रहा है कि ये गाड़ी तुम कभी भी ठोक सकते हो, right? And it's not good when people around you, the people that you love the most, do not support you. You want them to support you, but the condition, the scenario is such that your body language shouts underconfidence, okay? You are not confident at all, your body posture is slouched, you are not sitting tall, you are not confident, and so people around you do not support you. And that is exactly what happens when you wake up in the morning without clarity about what you want to do, how you are going to do it, and why do you want to do it. When you are unclear about what you want to do in your life suffer, your relationships suffer, and day-to-day life में मजा नहीं आता. Like it's all chaotic, right? तुम सुबह उठ रहे हो for the sake of it, तुम काम कर रहे हो for the sake of it, and there is no fun and there is no intrinsic happiness in being able to, kind of lead your life. But still तुम उठते हो, तुम सुबह सुबह कोई डेजर्ट खा लोगे, तुम इंस्टाग्राम रील स्क्रॉल करते हो, तुम यूट्यूब वीडियोस दिन भर देखते हो, एंड स्टिल यू डू नॉट सिट डाउन एंड आंसर हार्ड क्वेश्चंस. And that takes me to the last part of this video. How do you get clarity? Now, when we talk about how do you get some sense of clarity, पहली बात तो तुम दिमाग में ये फिक्स कर लो that you do not get clarity by chance. पहले मुझे लगता था कि यार मैं ये करूंगा, फिर ये नहीं होगा तो मैं कुछ और कर लूंगा, फिर मैं ये कर लूंगा, मतलब I will hustle, I will try different things, I will do random things, and eventually I will get some sort of clarity in my life. And it is true up to an extent, okay? If you jumble around with some things, new things here and there, you can get some sort of clarity, but that's not the right way of seeking and chasing clarity, because the only way to get clarity is by asking yourself hard questions and answering those questions with grace. Now, do not get me wrong. You cannot get clarity by answering some random set of questions, but you will definitely get clarity by constantly answering hard questions throughout your life, because clarity is a constant pursuit. You cannot get clear when you're young, because तुम स्कूल में होते हो तब तुम्हारी कोई और ड्रीम्स होती है, तुम्हें कुछ और चाहिए होता है, फिर तुम कॉलेज में आते हो तब तुम्हें कुछ और चाहिए होता है, फिर तुम ग्रेजुएट होते हो तब तुम्हें शायद तुम्हारी फैमिली को ग्रो करना होता है तो तुम्हें कुछ और चाहिए होता है, राइट? सो एब्सोल्यूट क्लैरिटी, एज आई सेड अर्लियर, इज अ मिथ, बट इन योर जर्नी ऑफ गेटिंग एंड चेजिंग क्लैरिटी, आस्किंग हार्ड क्वेश्चंस इज inevitable. You need to act like a man, you need to act like an adult, you need to sit down, you need to answer some questions. What type of a life you want to live 10 years from now? Who do you want to become? What are the habits you want to instill? What type of a son you want to become? What type of a husband you want to become? What type of a boyfriend you want to become? What does your life looks like? You know, are you happy from your life today? What are you doing wrong? What are you doing right? What are your good habits? What are your bad habits? You know, you need to write everything down. You need to answer hard questions, and it's not pretty. When you actually sit down and you answer hard questions, you get confronted by your inner devils. You get confronted by the bad sides of your soul, right? And it's hard, it's itchy, it's painful to actually write the reality on a piece of paper. But there is no escaping it. If you really want clarity, if you are chasing clarity, if you want that sense of clarity when you wake up in the morning, you need to sit down and answer hard questions. Now, as I said, your goals will change, so you will never be 100% clear, but you need some sense of clarity. You need some sense of order on a day-to-day basis so you can perform with efficiency. From the evolutionary perspective, your brain needs some sort of a goal and some sort of meaning to be able to get you out of the bed every morning. Now, the best part is when you constantly, consciously, proactively chase clarity, and when you get some sort of clarity, you become dangerous like a starving lion. You know, a lion who is hungry, who is starving, knows exactly what he wants to do. He knows exactly which deer he wants to hunt. He knows exactly what the size of that deer is. So he sits down in peace. He plans, he executes, he hunts the deer. He brings the deer to his family. He and his family feast on the deer and they sleep in peace. That's how dangerous you become when you're actually clear about what you want to do in your life. So be like a lion. Get up every day and go on the hunt. You know, go on the hunt, chase clarity in this case, and do something of significance every day, but do it with your intrinsic drive, you know, because you want to do it, not because somebody told you to do it. And as I said, the only way is to answer hard questions, but chase it. Chase the clarity on the offense mode. I just believe that you put yourself in a much better position to succeed when you're clear. So do not give up on clarity. It might take a lot more time than you think, but it is worth chasing. That's all for this video. अगर तुमने वीडियो एंड तक देखा है तो कमेंट करके बताओ क्लैरिटी, ताकि मुझे पता लगे कि तुम्हें वीडियो पसंद आई है. एंड आई कीप क्रिएटिंग वीडियोस ऑन टॉपिक्स लाइक दीज every week. If you're watching me for the first time, please subscribe to the channel. Press the bell icon so you do not miss videos like this. If you want to dive deep into concepts like this, subscribe to my free newsletter. Link is in the description. That's all for this video. I will see you guys in the next one.